Ever spent hours chasing a production error with no clue where it originated? Source maps buried in S3 buckets, cryptic stack traces, and zero context from user sessions? The error tracking pack fixes that. Automate source map uploading to Sentry, capture HTTP request breadcrumbs with Redux action payloads, configure smart alerts that group errors by release version, and decode minified JavaScript directly in your CI/CD pipeline. Because works on my machine shouldn't be your error resolution strategy. Front-end devs debugging React hydration errors, back-end engineers tracing Node.js promise rejections, and DevOps teams centralizing observability. This one's for you. No more whack-a-mole debugging. Here's what's inside the error tracking pack. Sentry project configuration with performance monitoring, source map ingestion via Webpack plugin automation, breadcrumb persistence across client-server boundaries, alert routing rules for Slack/MS Teams integrations, issue auto-assignment based on Git ownership. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From error ingestion to resolution workflows, we've got your stack covered. Because error tracking shouldn't require a PhD in distributed systems. Installing the error tracking pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add error tracking pack. That's it. You'll get the complete Sentry integration workflow, source map decoders, session replay breadcrumb generators, and alert throttling logic. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No more, I think we need to npm install something, moments. Your AI assistant now knows how to configure sampling rates for performance metrics, optimize source map sizes, and create custom alert filters. Just code, deploy, and watch errors disappear. Because dev tools should work as hard as you do.